Alright, so you guys have been asking me to explain the BMI chart. Basically, I said that this is necessary from the discussion question that we had. Most of you did not understand exactly how to match the weight with the height to tell where the person is. Alright, so the question was asking what category does the following persons fall under? So we have Joe, we have Mary, and we have Jackson. Now let's look at the first one. So Joe is 135 pounds and he is 5 feet and 7 inches tall. Here's the BMI chart that we are using. And as I said to you before, different BMI charts are set up differently based on either where the weight is or where the height falls. Sometimes the height might be at the bottom and the weight to the side. So you just have to look basically on what it is that wherever it falls, and then you'll know how to match accordingly. In this chart, the weight is at the top and it's measured in pounds and kilograms. And then you have height, which is measured in feet and inches or in centimeters. So today the units that we are using for weight is pounds, and the unit what we are using for height is feet and inches. Alright, so the first thing we will look for. So we look at Joe, and Joe is 5 feet 7 inches tall. So we have that row ready, right? So now we need to match the height with it, and we need to match the weight with it, and he is 135 pounds. And on this chart, it goes up by increments of 10. So there is no 5. So we just assume now that the 135 is going to be between 130 and 140. Now, if you look where the two arrow meet for weight and for height, it's right in the healthy range, which is the green area according to the key that is at the top. And that's where the arrows meet. So his BMI will either be 20, it will have the value of 20 to 22, which is in the healthy weight range. So he will fall in the healthy category. Let's look now at Mary. Mary is different. Mary is 230 pounds and she is 5 feet tall. So again, we look for her height. On this, it says that she is 5 feet tall, and 4 feet and 12 inches is 5 feet. 12 inches make a feet, right? And then now we look for her weight, which is 230. And from you see where she falls. She falls in the red zone, which means extremely obese for her height. So that's where the arrow meet for height and weight. Let's look now at Jackson. Jackson now is 185 pounds and he is 6 feet and 2 inches tall. Find his height, which is 6 feet 2 inches, and then we find his weight. And as we say again, because there is no, it goes up by increments of 10, we just assume that 185 is between 180 and 190. Some BMI charts do go up and have 185 because it goes up every 5, but on this is every 10. Alright, and we see that he falls in the healthy weight range again because that's where the arrow meets. So basically that was all that was asked of you for 6 marks. I'm going to put some other questions and we'll see how well we can do with that one. Alright.